Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have one box from Misfits. Just one box. It's been a while since it's only been a one box Misfits order. I have some Halloween stuff in here. So let's get this box open and find out what's inside. A little promo for what's on sale right now. We've got apples, honey nut squash, cinnamon, pumpkin pie, pumpkin and muffin bread mix. I think I might order that, but I don't remember. At the end of all my videos, I go over my entire receipt with you so that you know exactly what I paid for everything in this box. Ice packs are still frozen, that's good. Our useless piece of cardboard is still useless. Halloween stuff. So this is Smashmallow Malloween pack. These are, I thought it was interesting, gluten-free, non-GMO, simple ingredients. They're supposed to be snackable marshmallows, and marshmallows are usually not gluten-free. So that's why I got these. There's 30 in here. Like I said in the beginning, I'll go over my receipt with you. Oh, totally forgot. If you want to try Misfits, there's a link in the description down below. If you use that link, you can save off your first order. So totally go down to the description and click through that link so that you can save. So I thought this would be fun. We don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters here, but kids at the rink, I like to give them something on Halloween. And I like to keep it as healthy as I can. Let's try one. It looks like a marshmallow. I'm not even a big fan of marshmallows. It's a marshmallow. Oh, it's very sweet. The kids will probably love this. Me, not so much. That was toasted vanilla. It just tastes like sugar. The ingredients are organic cane sugar, tapioca syrup, invert sugar, no idea what that is, that's new, kosher certified gelatin, water, natural vanilla flavor. I don't taste vanilla. Sea salt, fruit and vegetable juice for color, and tapioca starch. They're not the best, but it is Halloween, so, and I'm gonna throw this out. I'm not used to sugar at all. We got the Essential Baking Company Artisan Thin Crust Pizza crust. It's not a pizza, it's a pizza crust. Because Colin actually likes this better than the, oh gosh, what is that called? What is the name of the, I can't remember the name of the other ones. The Sprouted Bread Company that I like so much. More of these, because last time I told you I had gotten these for the holidays, guess what? We ate them. So maybe they weren't for the holidays. They're good. Portobello mushroom caps. And some more Halloween candies. Let's see what's in here. These are allergy friendly, vegan, gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, colored with real fruit and vegetable juices. Manufactured and packaged in a peanut and nut-free facility. Made without soy, egg, dairy, fish, shellfish, peanuts or tree nuts, artificial dyes, high fructose corn syrup. The ingredients, let's just take the gummy fruits. Organic rice syrup, organic cane sugar, pectin, citric acid, natural flavors, ascorbic acid, colored with organic concentrate, apple, carrot, pumpkin, blackcurrant, organic sunflower oil, organic carnauba wax, which when I go to the car wash, they ask me if I want the carnauba wax. So I'm not sure we should eat that. I'm not sure we should eat lots of things that lots of people do eat. We have lollipops, gummy fruits, and jiggles. So these are like, what do they call them? I'm at a loss for things today. I can't remember anything. Skittles. So that's what we've got in this one. And I actually got 2 of those. So I'm sure to have enough for all the kids at the rink for group lessons. And then we got our Brussels sprouts. Last time we did not get our Brussels sprouts. I did get a credit for them. But this week, we have our Brussels sprouts. By the way, those limes where I was supposed to get 5 and I only got 3, they didn't give me a credit for only getting 3. I don't remember ordering strawberries, but it's quite possible I did. We're gonna have to check that receipt. These look good. I just don't remember ordering them. Spinach, and it's still smushed. I fixed this problem. Not only smushed, but open. They're getting a love note for the open spinach. Sage. Our favorite artisan romaine. These are small. They're really good. Oh, they used another box for this. Ooh, these lovely French green beans, haricots verts. When you order them, it doesn't say haricots verts or French green beans. It just says green beans. I'm always pleasantly surprised when we get these. The one thing about these that I really love is that they take the stems off. So you don't have to do that yourself. Sometimes when you get green beans, you have to do that. But with these, they're already done. You do have to double check because I found a few here and there that it wasn't snapped. Double check them, but it's awesome. I still taste that marshmallow thing. Not a fan, but I'm sure the kids will absolutely love it. Some more of these apples. These are, it just says organic apples. I thought I had ordered the Gala apples. And these are from California. Oh, they are. The back says California Gala apples. And this time we did get 5 limes. But last time we only got 3. And they didn't give me any extra this time. 2 red potatoes. Celery. And this actually looks good. Remember when the celery looked, I mean, it's a little floppy. But do you remember when all the celery just kept coming in really bad? It's much better now. And then we've got some gold potatoes. This is a nice big bag. This is 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. And they did use a separator. This piece of cardboard is not useless. This is very helpful. This is the kind of packaging they should do more often. And I was right, I did get this. So this is the almond flour baking mix, pumpkin and muffin bread mix. Ooh, I smell it. It smells good. Baby Bella mushrooms. We love these. We had some the other night with some steak from Good Chop. The steak was from Good Chop. Some scallions. These look like they've been through a war. It looks like Cece got a hold of them. My cat, Cece. Don't give your cat scallions. Bad for cats. Really bad for cats. Mine like to play with green beans. They love them. They flip them all over the house. Don't give them things like onions or garlic. Toxic for cats. And then we've got some organic sweet baby broccoli. Broccolini. 2, it looks like russet potatoes, and they're small. You know, I'm not real happy with the potatoes, except for these. But, you know, I feel like if I went to the store, I'd get a much better deal on potatoes, except for that 3-pound bag. I don't remember what that was, so I hope I'm right about that when we check the receipt. Some Granny Smith apples. 3 Granny Smith apples. I have to remember the numbers of everything we got. And 3 large lemons. These are nice sized lemons. They look good. This one's a little green, but they look okay. And some carrots. These are not looking, like, look at how tiny that one is. Not the best carrots. I'm wondering, did I order those strawberries? I don't remember. Let's have a look. Let me show you what all this looks like first though. So our sage, our pizza crust, our spinach, and the crackers, and the baking mix. All the produce in the sink. This is a lot of stuff. It's really filling up the sink. The portobello mushrooms, and then we have the Yum Earth and Smashmallow. Okay, so that receipt, let's find it. The organic limes, we did get 5 this time for $2.25. The spinach was $2.99 and it's open, so I'm gonna have to tell them about that. The scallions were 99 cents, but I mean, I don't know. All this is organic. I mean, last time I went to a grocery store and bought scallions, which was at least a year or maybe longer ago. I think they were 79 cents for conventional, and it might have been around $1 for organic. The portobello mushroom caps were $2.89. The russet potatoes were 2 for 99 cents, and they are tiny potatoes. That is not worth it. I don't think I'm gonna do the potatoes from Misfits anymore, unless they do like this bag. The broccolini was $3.49. That's getting on the high side. It used to be less. The green beans were $3.99 for a pound. That's a good deal. The Brussels sprouts were $3.49 for a pound. That's a good deal. The organic carrots were $1.99 for a bunch, and I feel like not a good deal, guys, because really not the best looking carrots. The pizza crust was for $29. Apples, the Granny Smith apples, were 3 for $2.29. The Gala apples were 2 pounds for $3.49. The lemons were 3 for $1.89. The celery was $1.99. The red potatoes were 75 cents for 2. You know, I mean, when we've gotten from Lancaster Farm Fresh, we got a huge bag of the red potatoes. That was awesome. Baby Bella mushrooms were $2.19. Organic yellow potatoes, this bag was $3.99, and that was for 3 pounds. I did not get the rosemary. Again with this. So we're missing rosemary. We did get the sage. The sage was $1.99. Romaine lettuce was $3.29. The Breton crackers were $2.19. Almond flour, pumpkin, muffin, and bread mix was $3.99. The Smashmallow was $4.99. The Halloween variety packs were 2 for $19.98, and these are all allergen free. My total was $82.37. Shipping was $4.50. I had no credit. Remember, if you want to try Misfits, use that link in the description down below. You'll get a discount and I'll get a credit for my next order, which helps support the channel so that I can keep doing these videos for all of you. The total was $86.87, and Misfits says that's a savings of $56.53. But the spinach is open and we're missing the rosemary, so I'm gonna have to report those things and hopefully I'll get a credit for them. So what do you guys think? Is this worth $86.87? Do you really think it's a savings of $56.53? I'm not so sure, especially with the potatoes. These are a good deal. These are not such a good deal. Some of this stuff, like the Halloween candy, is not stuff I normally buy at all. Something that I got for Halloween to give out to the kids at the rinks. That increased my total by another, what, $20? No, more, hold on. $25. So $25 of that was just a Halloween candy. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. If you like this video, hit that like button. And remember, I post all my unboxings from Misfits, Greenfield Farms, Lancaster Farm Fresh, sometimes Imperfect Foods. Maybe we'll try Worthy Flavors again, as well as all the meat companies like the Butcher Box, Good Chop, Crowd Cow, Seven Sons, and Moink. There's so many at this point. I do so many unboxings. But if you like these kinds of videos, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss one of them. I also have lots of videos for figure skaters and their parents that can help them improve their performance on the ice. This is Amy. Happy eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.